Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel for the second time today. I am now going to show you guys the look that I was wearing in the video that I posted just about an hour ago, where I was talking about new makeup releases and my thoughts on them, a purchase or pass video. Now I am going to show you the look. I was using the Viseart Liaison Palette. This is the look, so if you want to see how I created it, just keep watching. I'm starting off with the Zoeva 227 in the shade Embrace. I'm going to start on the very outer corner first and lay down the product, and then I'm going to start working it upwards and then into the crease. I'm going to use this as a transition shade and to kind of blow out that outer corner. After I get that laid down, I'm going to still use the same shade, but I'm going to pick up a Wangas number 20, and I'm just going to take that shade right along the lower lash line, just in back and forth motions. I don't want a lot of this, just a nice little wash of color. Going back in with the Zoeva 227, I'm now picking up the shade Blushing. I'm doing basically the same thing that I did the first time, but I'm just going a little bit lower. So I'm starting on the outer corner and then I'm deepening up the crease with this. I don't want to bring this shade nearly as high as I did the last one, but I want to add some depth into the look. To add even more depth, I'm going in with the shade Falling on a Wangas number 19. This has a lot of pigmentation to it, so I'm just tapping it onto the outer corner, getting the pigmentation laid down before I kind of go in little circular motions and then little windshield wiper motions to bring it slightly upward. I'm not bringing this all the way into the crease. I'm going to keep this really concentrated on the outer corner to make sure it's nice and smoky right on the outer edge. For the center of the lid, I'm taking an Esom W21 in the shade Ecstasy. I am using this dry and I am just tapping this into place, tapping and then back and forth motions, just kind of pressing it onto the lid. Now for the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade Shiver on a MAC 242. I'm going to start on the inner portion and then I'm going to tap over the last shade that we put down so we get a nice gradient. I'm taking this all the way up to the crease line and then all the way into the corner, but I'm not going to bring this down because I will be putting a different shade to make the inner corner pop later. I'm going to wipe off my brush on my pants and I'm going to take Tingle and I'm going to use that for my brow arch highlight. Switching brushes but staying with the same shade, I'm using a Royal & Langnickel BOM 601 and I'm going to place this right on the inner corner and then right underneath on the front portion of the lower lash line. I finished off the look using a little bit of mascara and then Boss Milk Liner on the top inner rim. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.